शी डेयर नॉट स्पीक टू मी, नेगेटिव आ गया ना नॉट, तो यहाँ पे या तो ये नेगेटिव में यूज़ होता है और या फिर इंटेरोगेटिव बनाना हो तो यूज़ होता है. शी डेयर नॉट स्पीक टू मी. डेयर शी से दीज वर्ड्स टू मी. डेयर शी से मीन्स इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म में आप पूछ रहे हैं. डेयर शी से दीज वर्ड्स टू मी, क्या उसने ये वर्ड्स कहे थे, उसमें इतनी हिम्मत थी ये वर्ड्स कहने की. विद डू वर्ब द मोडाल डेयर इज फॉलोड बाय द मेन वर्ब इन्फिनेटिव विद और विदाउट टू. लाइक without do verb dare is followed by the infinitive without to. do verb के साथ जो modal dare है it is followed by the main verb, उस साथ main verb लगेगा with और without to. with या without to के वहाँ पे वो लग जाएगा. and without do verb dare is followed by the infinitive without to. और जहाँ पे आपका वर्ब नहीं है, डू वर्ब नहीं है, वहाँ पे इन्फिनेटिव के साथ लगेगा विदाउट टू, बिना टू के. नाउ वी स्टार्ट डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द सूटेबल modals given below. Here in the box you have been given so many modals and you have to read the sentences and fill in the blanks with the suitable. Swapna dash not run any race when she was a beginner. Swapna dash not run any race. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Let's see. What will come here? Sapna need not run any race when she was a beginner. No. Cannot run any race. Could not. Sapna could not run any race when she was a beginner. Means जब वो beginner थी तो वो रेस रन नहीं कर पाती थी. स्वप्ना could not. जब वो beginner थी तो वो कोई भी रेस रन नहीं कर पाती थी. Children dash be excited with the trip notice. They are shouting. Children maybe. Children might be. भी आ सकता है. Might भी आ सकता है. May and might. We have used this now.
It's just because of them. See the clothes we wear, cotton we get from trees, the food we eat.
So here we can use children might be excited. Here we will use might.
So trees are very important for us.
Third,
Let us study the poem regarding to tree.
you dash do your work before going to play. You should complete. You should do your work
Yes, because they always give us.
before going to play.
Whatever we have is
Dash they
because
come
of
into the
we
classroom
do.
now.
So they always give us. They never take from us.
Need they come into the class? No.
I
Should.
that I
Would they
shall
come into the
never
no?
see
Could they come into the classroom
home
now?
lovely as a tree.
She could not run. Can they come?
Lovely as a tree. मतलब ये बोल देखो बेटा इसमें जो writer
Can
है,
they
वो
come or
tree
should they
की
come into the
placement
classroom now?
है, और वो ये
You should. You ought to do your work
I
before.
think that I shall never see कि
Ought.
कभी
must
तक ऐसा
not.
नहीं देखा.
चलो यहाँ यूज करते हैं, देखते हैं. They come into the classroom now. Dash they come into the.
देता है बेटा, ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा. एक इतनी प्यारी poem लिखी.
Dash they come into the classroom now.
Hungry mouth is pressed.
Could they come or can they come into the classroom now? चलो पहले हम सारे रीड कर लेते हैं. Then we will write. Do you dash to write graffiti on the wall? Do you dare?
जो mouth जो
यहाँ तो बच्चे dare लगेगा. Dare है ना यहाँ. Do you dare
ठीक है
to write graffiti on the wall? I dash read plenty of books when I was in college. I used to. क्योंकि अब नहीं करते ना आप, तो यहाँ पे आएगा used to. I used to read plenty of books when I was in college. The children dash not bring any food items in the. The children ought not या must not, must है यहाँ, children must not. देखते हैं अभी यहाँ क्या आएगा बाद में. Dash, you please help me solve this problem. Would you please?
Against the earth's feet.
Would you please help me solve this problem? I dash draw landscape pictures.
ठीक है, जैसे हमें
I
पसीना
can
आता है,
draw landscape pictures. The teacher dash not write the meanings on the board since they are given in the book. The teachers need not write the meanings because they are given in the book. Do you think I can drop you here? Do you think I
कहाँ रहती है भगवान पे, क्योंकि हमेशा देखो ऊपर की तरफ
shall drop you here? Do you think I
तो that's why ट्री की नजरें हमेशा भगवान पे रहती है.
do you
Okay?
think
And
I
it's a leafy
can
arms
drop
to
you
it.
here?
और हमेशा जितने भी इसके arms हैं,
I will drop you
हमेशा
here.
upper direction
I
में
can drop you here.
ऊपर की तरफ डायरेक्शन में होते हैं.
चलो we'll leave this and do it later on. We dash not gossip so much. We should not
तो वैसे ही बोला गया है.
gossip so much. Dash I bring your pen for a minute? May I borrow your pen? It's a polite permission. You dash consult a dentist immediately.
Leafy arms क्यों बोले गए हैं?
Here we have
भरे रहते हैं, है ना?
it's a
से भरे रहते हैं, तो इसीलिए
weak possibility ना, weak obligation. You should या you ought to. You ought to consult भी आ सकता है बच्चे यहाँ. Ought to. You are just suggesting him. Dash I close the window? Do I? No. Can I close the window? May I close the window भी हो सकता है. Should I close the window भी हो सकता है. तो आप कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. Can I close the window या May I close the window भी हो सकता है. Any. So do you think I can drop you there? Do you think I
नेस्ट बना दीजिए इन हेयर ओके अपॉन whose bosses
now here
has
dash
been.
they come into the classroom?
अब ये
Could
कह
they
रहे
come into
हैं,
the classroom
bottom
now?
किसे कहा गया है बेटा? चेस्ट को कहा गया है. ठीक है.
Could they
उसके
come?
chest पे
Sapna
सारी
could not
बर्फ-
run
जो
any
बर्फ
days.
गिरती है, सारी वो chest से जो
Would
upper
not.
portion है,
Would they
सारा
come into the
cover हो
classroom
जाता
now?
है. तो उसको बोला गया है.
Would आ सकता है हाँ.
Okay? Who
Would they come?
usually lives with rain.
Into the classroom now. Would they come?
जितने भी trees होते हैं,
Would they come?
उनका rain
Would
के साथ
they come into the
बहुत ही
classroom
ज़्यादा
now?
connection है.
या
बहुत
could
ही
they
ज़्यादा
come?
कैसे है, आप देखोगे trees से कितना ही
Would.
dead हो
Would
रहा
you
होगा.
please? नहीं यहाँ
Rain
could ज़्यादा
होती है, तो
suitable
उससे वो
लगेगा.
वापस
Would
peak
नहीं.
कर जाती है, है
So
ना?
we will write
बहुत
could.
close connection होता
Could
है.
they come into the
बारिश
classroom
में
now?
भीगते हैं. बारिश में सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा
Could is
कौन
more
लेता है
suitable.
बेटा?
Now,
Trees.
do you think
क्योंकि आप सब
I
तो थोड़ी देर के लिए भीगते हो, लेकिन जो trees हैं वो हर बारिश में,
might drop you there? लगा
है ना?
हुआ
और
है.
सबसे ज़्यादा वो
I
rain से
shall
करते
drop.
हैं.
Do you think I shall drop
क्योंकि
you
वो
here?
rain का water जो है सबसे ज़्यादा पी लेते हैं.
Do you think I can drop you here? I
Poems are made by fools like me.
shall
only
drop you
God
here.
can
Do you
make
think
it.
I
क्योंकि
can
poems
drop you
तो फिर
here?
भी human beings बना लेते
This is
हैं,
more
लेकिन
suitable.
God
So
का ही
all of you
creation हो
complete this
सकता है.
exercise.
God ही
Now we come to the
बना सकता है. हम
exercise
जैसों
number
के
2.
लिए
Rewrite
normal
each of
बात
the
नहीं.
following sentences using a
Free
modal
बनाना.
verb. Replace the model with another if there is already a model used
Okay? So
in
now
any
give me first
sentence. Replace the model with another if there is already a modal
I
used.
think that I
Probably I
shall
will go to the USA
never
next
see
year.
him.
Morning. So probably I will go to the USA next year.
A poem lovely as a
Replace the
tree.
model. So we finish up till today here. We'll start tomorrow with this exercise number 2. So we have finished up till here. Now you open your notebooks and you write down this exercise in your notebooks. It is verbs, class 8 exercise number 1. Rewrite the following sentences using tenses mentioned in the brackets.
So this poem is related to tree.
I have to complete the work on time. सिंपल पास्ट. ये आपको सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है, आपने इसको 2 फॉर्म्स में बदलना है टेंस को. ठीक है.
Never see
सिंपल पास्ट में बनाएंगे पहले. सेंटेंस ये दिया हुआ है, आई हैव टू कंप्लीट द वर्क ऑन टाइम.
Lovely SFT.
नाउ वी विल राइट simple past में I had to complete the work on time, and if we have to make it in future, I will have to complete the work on time. So like this you will write.
Is
Okay.
pressed.
The fruit seller will bring fresh fruits. Now here we have to write in the
Again.
simple present and simple past. So we will write
Sweet flowing dress.
the fruit seller. पहले हम बनाते हैं simple present में.
A tree
The fruit seller
that looks at God
brings
always
fresh fruits. ठीक है. So it is in the simple present tense. Now if we have to make in the simple past,
arms
the fruit seller brought fresh fruits. Clear?
prayed.
Then we come to the third sentence. Third
A
is
tree
our colony has a round the clock security arrangement. Now we have to change this in the simple past.
here,
So we will write
a nest of robins in her hair.
our colony our colony
Upon whose
has round the clock security arrangements.
Blossoms
We
known
has-
as
Our colony
who intimately lips with rain. There and here.
now here we will write, we will change this sentence into the simple
Next is
present.
your
So
here
here
and then.
it can be changed into our colony. It is in the present continuous. It is already our colony had.
और
तो
बेटा
अगर हमने
here
इसको
and
पास्ट में
here
करना
and
है
rain and rain.
तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा our
And
colony
me and he.
had round the clock security arrangements. Okay, so has will be changed into had.
Then
Now
write
if
the
we
word
want to
meaning
change
now.
it into the simple future, we will write like this:
Stick
our
with the
colony
Rest,
will
lay,
have
laid,
round the clock security
the branches,
arrangements. Now we come to the next. Now we come to the next part. Ruchika has a new pair of jeans. Simple past. Ruchika had a new pair of jeans. So had will be changed into
done,
had. Okay. Simple future.
See, very
Ruchika
nice topic is
will
given.
have
At least
a
my best friend.
new
Or you
pair
could write a paragraph
of jeans.
on this. Just
Okay.
make a picture of
So the
tree
old
and write
woman
the
lived
lines.
alone. Here we have to change it to simple present. The old woman
Trees are our best friend. This everybody know.
lives
They give
alone.
us food, shelter,
ठीक है. Lived है ना, lives में बन जाएगा
fruits,
present में.
vegetables,
Okay. It will be changed.
and they are shelter to
ये
all
यहाँ पे
the
will have आ जाएगा.
birds and animals. They give us
यहाँ
all
पे
to
brings आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे brought चेंज हो गया. इधर had हो गया और इधर will have हो गया. Okay. Here we have changed into lives and simple future. The old woman will live alone. I hope it is clear.
them.